Gerald Real. First Baton leader, Mapi Boys, Joshua Garcina. Second Baton leader, Mapi Girls, Christian Joy Manila. School head, Mrs. Belin N. Adriano. Mapi facilitator, Mr. Juan Francis Beno and Mr. Rafael S. Monpatuano. Major coordinator, Ms. Rona C. Bernardo, Mr. Romel A. Plata. DXNC coordinator, Mr. Miguel O. Estrado and Mr. Adrian L. Barrios. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 26 from Governor Mariano A. E. Verde High School, Pili, Labanan del Sur. High School of Pili, Labanan del Sur. Next, entry number 27 from Vito National High School, Truth S4, J.D. Romero. Major leader, Shaila B. Celeste. DXNC leader, Erica J. Ceres. Mapi Company Commander, Monique B. Bermejo. Mapi Company XO, Aiza A. Garizalani. First Baton leader, Boys, Jersey Q. Oliva. Second Baton leader, Happy Girls, Laila Postales. School head, Ariel Alzueso. Mapi facilitator, Catherine Daniel. Major coordinator, Mary Miss Alvin. And DXT coordinator, Melanie Diazon. Kaya Salsa, Dennis Balcón, Dr. Service, and Christina. National High School of Sinuma, Labanan del Sur. Next, entry band leader, Dane Michael B. Villarreal. School head, Maria Iluminada A. Bull. Major coordinator, Mary Ann Pedraza. Band director, Joseph Christian S. Marcelo. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 28, Sabang National High School, Sabang, Alabama, Labanan del Sur. Thank you. Entry number 28, Sabang National High School of Alabama, Labanan del Sur. Next, entry number 29, Avila. DXNC leader, Nelson N. Mendoza Jr. Mapi Company Commander, Vivian A. Romero. Mapi Company Expo, Nico B. Perez. First Baton leader, Mapi Boys, Josel B. Paginawa. Second Baton leader, Girls, Sailin O. Bahar. School head, Gregoria B. Olano. Mapi facilitator, Lailati O. Puno. Major coordinator, Francesca Marie Arrimado. And DXNC coordinator, Latin Azon. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 29 from Pedroso Mendoza National High School of Alabama. I-7. Monthly Company Commander, John Francisco G. Masoles. Monthly Company XO, Daniel D. Santorino. First Baton Leader, Happy Boys, Jordan L. Isaac. Second Baton Leader, Happy Girls, Catherine N. Cañada. School Head, Maricel L. Enteya. Maki Facilitator, Rita L. Rizano. Maintenance Coordinator, J.P. O. Montañez. DSSC Coordinator, John Vincent O. Rolas. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 30, Santiago Elementary School, América City. Next entry number 31, and John Ray V. Wangolonzo. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 31 from Santa Cruz National High School, Naga City. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Warren Benitez. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Elaine Edmundo. School Head, Principal, Geraldine Apercos. Doctor of Education, Cindy Mabel Facilitator, Reggie Portasio. Majors Coordinator, Ronel Canilla, and Alvin Apatita. DSMC DLC Coordinator, Mary Grace Cañada, and Reggie Portasio. Carmela Organon, Mabel Department Head. Entry number 32, Villazar, National High School, North Villazar, Sipocot, Marina School. Next entry number 33, Carmel National High School, Mape, Company Commander, Mark Kevin Manzano. Mape, Company EXO, Joshua Ian San Isidro. First Platoon Leader Boys, Jonathan Brosas. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Jillian Salvino. School Head, Francia Vilo. CDP Mape Facilitator, Jonathan Recto. Maintenance Coordinator, Darlene Hernandez. DSMC DLC Coordinator, Cindy Virgo. Marie Franz Rafael, Assistant DLC Coordinator. Entry number 33, Carmel National High School, Motor, Timbana, Carolina Sur.
you very much. Entry number 33, Carmel National High School, Puerto Primana, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 34, San Jose National High School, San Jose, Camarines Sur. Second, platoon leader girls, Rachel May Primato, school head, Ronald Enciso, Mapper Unit Facilitator, Richard Guadalupe, Assistant Mapper Facilitator, Marlene Villarama, Major Coordinator, Jose Bombasa Jr., DXMC DLC Coordinator, Joey Aguilar. Entry number 34, San Jose National High School, San Jose, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 34, San Jose National High School, San Jose, Camarines Sur.
I would like to acknowledge the presence of Madam Marilyn N. Sagala, Principal 1, Santa Agustina National High School.
DXMC leader, Nicole Shea Perez, CDP Company Commander, John Carlos Santo Domingo, CDP Company XO, Jason Kenji Carrion. First platoon leader, boys, Aaron James Lumano. Second platoon leader, girls, Regan Zamulio, Principal, Lourdes Lopez, CDP Mapper Facilitator, Beverly Salvadora, Major Coordinator, Adriana Rosario, DSP Coordinator, Sheena Elcano. Entry number 35, Pili Capital College, Overland, San Isidro, Pili Camarines Sur.
Thank you. Entry number 35. PD Capital College is operated as a Cisco PD Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 36. Bicol Central Academy. Libon Uno, Limanan Camarines Sur. Troop S. Princess Maria Lane Bishop. Troop S4. Sian S. Rafael Bambilla. Major Leader Shane Justine Sigan. DXMC leader, John Joshua Hoven, Mappi Company Commander, John Russell Moscoso, Mappi Company Expo, Daniel Nolias, First Platoon leader, boys, John Joel Hanwario, Second Platoon leader, girls, Bernice Elena Sancho, student, Alexander James P. Morgan, CDP, Mappi Facilitator, Sandy Castellano, Major Coordinator, Danny Lompero, Coordinator, Jennifer Pancalante, Mark Orlando, Raymond de la Cruz, Sam Howell, and number 36. Entry number 36, Bicol Central Academy, Limanan Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 37, Antipolo Heights Integrated School, Antipolo, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Troop M. Villa, Majors Coordinator, Sheila Paular. DXMC DLC Coordinator, Club Director, Jacob Floriano. Sheila Marie Moigo, Mapping Coordinator, Edgar Gabriela, Mapping Trainer, Jeffrey Bolabesta, Major Trainer, Mark David Villeja, Assistant Trainer. Entry number 37, Antipolo Heights Integrated School, Antipolo, Pasacao, Camarines School. Thank you. Entry number 37, Antipolo Heights Integrated School, Antipolo, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 38, Dalupao National High School. First leader boys, John Kennedy Villa. Second leader girls, Elaika Palameda. School head, Bayaning Belga. CDP Mami Facilitator, Ramon Bergandini. Majors Coordinator, Maria Gracia Yung. DLC Coordinator, Director, Roger Borja. Nino Hamina Azales, Assistant Mami Facilitator. Franzen Maligio, Assistant Major Coordinator. Rosalie Liberato, Assistant DLC Coordinator. N3, number 38, Dalupao National High School, Dalupao, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 38, Dalupao National High School, Pasacao, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 39, Santa Justina National High School, Dikilia Lehi. Mapping Company Commander, Sani Batalier. Mapping Company XO, Jerry Tesorio. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Randall Imanita. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Jasmine Magallanes, School Head, Marvin Sagala. CDP Mapping Facilitator, Leia Princess Salazar. Joel Ponchado, Archibald Villamayor. Majors Coordinator, Christine B. Mora. Eloisa D. Villar. Annabel San Juan. DXMCDLC Coordinator, Edward A. Navarro. Francis Peña, Ariel Aguilar. Entry number 39, Santa Justina National High School, Santa Justina, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 39, Santa Justina National High School from Buni, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 40, St. John the Baptist Leader. DBC Band Leader. Christian Cedron. CTV Company Commander, Pierre Angelo Villarma. CTV Company XO, Macio Santuito. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Charlotte Agudo. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Janine Abinal. School Head, Mr. Earl John Marie P. Bagazina. CTV Mapping Facilitator, Mark Anthony Onoya. Assistant CTV Mapping Facilitator, Roberto Septo. Major Coordinator, Chris Edsel Acopiado. Major Trainer, Mr. Mark D. Septo. DBC Coordinator, Rodolfo Ocaria Jr. DBC Director, Mr. Francis Institute of People Incorporated, Barangay Saluan, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 40. Next entry number 41. Buenavista National High School. From Buenavista Presentacion, Camarilla. Mapping Company Commander, John Patrick Avila. Mapping Company XO, Arregor B.S. Menda. First Platoon Leader Boys, April Boy R. Avila. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Arena B. Barreto. School Head, Rex P. Perico. City Mapping Facilitator, Solomon F. Texon. Majors Coordinator, Chef Alain P. Omenyar, EX and CDLC Coordinator, Yelena Presentacion. Entry number 41, Buenavista National High School, Buenavista Presentacion, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 41 from Buenavista National High School, Presentacion, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 42, Panagan National High School, Panagan, Lagunoy, Camarines.